What is up, guys? Invincible120 here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. And today, we're playing Cluster Rush. So let's get right into today's video. Oh, dang, we failed right off the bat. Dang. Okay, let's try again. Oh. Oh, come on. Oh, we're so close. Ah, why is this so hard? Yep, there it is again. Come on. Yes, yes, yeah, yeah. Yes! We got it. Oh, no! We're going good, too. Dang it. Okay, come on, we got it. Oh, come on. Oh, there it is. Let's go. Okay, let me tell you about the truth why I haven't been uploading. We just haven't been getting that many views. That's the only problem. Not many comments. So please comment down below if you want me to keep doing YouTube. So I know if you guys want me to keep making fun content like this. It mean a lot. So please do that. And then I don't think we'll be uploading every day anymore. But I think we might start doing that when we get a little bit more subscribers again. So we'll see how that goes. But that's okay. But just knowing you guys are watching these videos is pretty dang cool. So thank you for all the people who watch the videos. And hit the like buttons because we've had like 4 or 5 likes on some of these videos. So thank you. Only if we get past this level. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah. And we messed up again. Dang it. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, we got it. Let's go. How the heck am I going to pass this one? Nope, not even close. What the heck? Come on. Oh, we fell off right away. Okay. Now we're just glitching off. This kind of stinks. Dang, we are really glitching. Oh, we're so close. I can't get this. What the heck? So close. How? God dang it. Oh, that's the way to do it, I think. Just sit in the back. Or they just launch you. Ugh, short. That did not work. Nope, short again. Dang it. There it is. Well, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. And please, please, please write a comment because I'll be reading every single one of them. And remember, you can do anything you put your mind to.